Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.
This is a GE washer, and the trouble or the symptoms we're having with this is as it's in spin cycle, the drum is tearing into the gasket, also called the bellow. Alright, so what we're finding here is the drum as it spins is wearing into and rubbing into our gasket here in the front. And you can see when we spin the basket here how the basket it kind of goes closer to the gasket and comes back up, so it's like the basket is kind of warped where it gets closer and comes back up at different parts of the baskets as it's spinning. So what we found is this is going to be a sign of a bad rear bearing, and another symptom is if you take the basket and hold the outer tub still, take the basket and move up and down, you can see that it's got some play in it. This isn't bad compared to a lot of bad rear bearings, but when you get play in this, also when it's in spin cycle, you'll get a really loud noise as it's spinning. The faster it spins, the louder it gets, and you could also get, if you open up the cabinet and look inside, you'll see an oil or a water leaking from the rear bearing. So basically the rear bearing goes through the outer tub and supports this drum up, and when the bearing goes bad, this drum drops and starts rubbing into the gasket or into the outer tub if that gasket's not between the two, and you get plastic shavings in your gasket and into the clothes and everything like that. So to fix this, we would have to replace our inner basket and the rear half of our outer tub, which the bearing is pressed into. So to repair the basket from rubbing into the gasket in the front, we're going to have to replace our rear bearing.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.